Hello everybody. Right, we are imaging M1, the Crab Nebula, this evening, and guiding is brilliant. I know it looks spiky, but that's because I am super zoomed in. I'm very happy with that, and here's the session. Now if I just go into the middle there's the Crab Nebula, and it's looking really good. Very happy indeed. I'm taking 300-second exposures with gain 400. So I have my customary light pollution filter, which is there. So if I go behind it, there you go, the light disappears. Then it's back. Gone, back, gone, back. Hooray! And here's the rig. So it's an EQ6, and I've got the Altair cooled camera on the back there. That's the 269C, and then the Altair guide camera there with a 290C on the back. So we're on the Crab Nebula. Here we are, night number 2. 2 consecutive nights with good weather. So I'm back on M1, which is the Crab Nebula. Exactly the same setup as yesterday. And I'm hoping to get about 6 hours on this if I can. So everything's working. Laptop's in the box. And there's the EQ6. The 102 ED, exactly the same setup as last night. So yeah, let's see how it goes. If I look straight up, you can just see the stars of Orion. We just shade street lamp. There's my hand shading the street lamp. And now you can just see the stars of Orion up there. Here we are in PixInsight. Initially, when I was taking the image, I thought it would be sort of this big. No, it's really a lot smaller. And I've made the fundamental error of lack of planning on my behalf, because I didn't factor in the size of the object in my field of view when I set up the telescope. So I chose an object that was way too small, really, for my focal length. Now, yeah, it's okay, it looks fine, and although this particular session in PixInsight, I wasn't happy with how it was going, it just wasn't processing very well, so I abandoned this completely and I started again, and I ended up with these 2 images. So I was a bit happier with these once I processed them. So that was the first one there, which is a little bit more zoomed in, and if I just move these around, and this one here, which is kind of the same field of view as before. So literally this is just a crop of this, but I think I got some detail out of the Crab Nebula. I'm reasonably happy with this one. I think this one looks better, and the blacks are still a bit crushed, but I was really struggling with this to process it. I really need to revisit this in the future with probably a longer focal length, and just to sort of see if I can get a bit more detail from it. But you know, ticked off my Messier catalogue. So Messier number 1 I've now seen, and I've been able to do a bit on it, but I'm definitely going to revisit this one. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. It makes such a difference to the channel. And take care everyone. I'll see you in the next video.